What if you could turn any screen into a digital signage for free? This is the IRIV SmartHub CM5, a powerful device that can transform your TV into a dynamic digital signage system. Let me show you how. We will do the installation via SSH in terminal. After that, we will do update for our SmartHub. Then we will run script to install Antheas on your existing Raspberry Pi OS without overwriting it. You will see a prompt like this, and you can follow my option. Go take a cup of coffee, it will take some time. After that, you'll get directly the IP address to use on the screen like this and go to the browser. On your first connection, the web interface looks like this. It's empty by default, but we'll add some in the next steps. If you explore a bit in interface menu, you'll find the settings in the top menu. There isn't much to configure there, but you might find some useful options. Let's try it now by uploading a new asset to your system. Click on Add Asset in the top right corner. A pop-up form shows up, where you can either use a URL or upload a file directly. Let's click on Upload and select an image on your computer. You can click Turn the Activity switch on to enable it. Click on the Edit button. You'll get a screen with all configuration options. Asset name, location on the storage drive, asset type, schedule duration in days, weeks, month, or by entering a start and end date if you prefer. Then you have the duration on screen. It means how often the system will switch between your assets. If you have only one, you can put a very high number in this box, so it won't use resources for no reason. Fill all of this and click on Save. Now your asset is ready. Use it in schools for daily announcements, restaurants for rotating menus, or retail shops for promotions. Low power, reliable, and budget-friendly, the IRIV SmartHub CM5 is perfect for digital signage at scale. Grab your IRIV SmartHub CM5 today.